Hey guys, what's up? Alright, so I've got my 580T here, and I'll be replacing the fuel filter. So this fell off of my wagon, and the lid was it wasn't closed all the way. It was loose for some reason. So it popped off, and it was when I was coming down the shed, didn't realize it, and dirt got all around the top of the tank. And I have some, see here, oh sweet, got it. So you can see this thing is dirty, so I'm gonna get rid of it. But this is not necessarily, we'll see how it runs, but I have a smaller fuel filter. I'm not gonna put my big one on that is made for this yet. I might run one more of these in here till I get it real dirty, just to get the rest of the tank cleaned up. A little bit of trouble here. I'm just gonna leave that ring. I can never get it anyways. So there's a little bit of residue still in the bottom of the tank. It's not bad, but you can see. So anyways, that right there is that. So I'm gonna put this back in, and we will see you guys in the next one. Anyway, see you guys later. Bye.